Why bake when you can fridge cake? Get ready for a chilling adventure that's cooler than the fridge itself. So join me in this no processor plus no bake dessert. Who needs a fancy gadget? Not me and not now. This is a manual labor of love. So if you don't have a food processor at home, you can just put your biscuits into a snap lock bag and use a rolling pin to crush the biscuits down. You can leave some chunks because some people like a few chunky bits of biscuit, or you can do them really fine. Watch till the end, arranging the no fuss, no muss approach layers of cookies, crushed or just as it is, plus cream and a hint of I don't feel like turning on the oven to create a dessert masterpiece.